Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In the new AMG GT 63LE Performance, the handcrafted AMG 4.0 liter V8 biturbo engine and AMG Electric Drive Unit together produce a combined system output of 805 horsepower and a combined system torque of up to 1047 pound-feet. The rapid acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.7 seconds and a top speed of 199 miles per hour underscore the powerful performance. Standard AMG Active Ride Control suspension with active roll stabilisation and active rear axle steering ensure a wide spread of driving characteristics from highly dynamic to comfortable. On the sideline of the Formula One weekend in Shanghai, Mercedes-AMG unveiled the new flagship of the AMG GT Coupe portfolio, the 2025 AMG GT 63LE Performance, expected to arrive at US dealership in late 2024. The extremely powerful e-performance hybrid drive featuring a handcrafted AMG 4.0 liter V8 biturbo engine at the front and an electric motor on the rear axle deliver lightning fast response and consistent power delivery. Innovative motorsport analogy inspired by those proven in the Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 Team hybrid race car form the basis of the unique driving experience with accelerating performance and outstanding driving dynamic.